Hi today, phone, no signal, or low signal on your phone. How to problem solved. 3 big problem, let's check. Problem number 1, no signal, how to solve its problem. Number 1, restart your phone after show your phone signal. If restart phone, not showing network signal, please check SIM card, replace other SIM slot change. After changing SIM slots, restart phone. Again, watch this video reset APN following this video. Go to phone settings, SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card, not show signal or low signal. Access point name. Now go to top 3 dot option. Reset APN settings. After restore APN settings, select 4G only. Go to preferred network type. 2G, 3G, 4G auto select. Problem solved. Number 2. Go to phone dialer. Dial this secret code following in this video. Phone information. Choose phone number. Select LTE only. Anybody like video, subscribe my channel, share video, friend, family.